Have you encountered any of the following situations? Machine was operating while a part was defected. This can lead to damage of the core operating components and lead to expensive repairs. During peak production, a large number of orders need to be fulfilled. When the machine shuts down unexpectedly, and orders will not be fulfilled. Anko introduced smart sensor technology. Using smart sensor to gather the machine's data and upload them onto Anko's dashboard, managers have access to real-time machine operations data remotely, ensuring consistent production. When any machine anomalies are detected in the data, it will immediately notify maintenance personnel. Anko's remote monitoring services will send out maintenance reminders to ensure your business reliability and profitability. Paperless is an important step in digital transformation. Increase your competitive advantages in the era of Industrial 4.0. Worldwide, the manufacturing industry is changing to smart manufacturing. Businesses pursue the mastery of real-time data information. With a mobile device, you will have all the data you need at hand. Transformation to a smart factory starts by accumulating big data and incorporating AI analysis into your procedures.